Got it? Oh. Good.
Alright, we should be going in soon, right? Then play with the ball, go in the baby room.
Got it? Pick it up and put it in. Can you blow on it? Put it in there. Come on, put it in there. Alright, we're good. Now let's go get some leaves. I mean, yeah. Okay,
What are you guys making? A nest?
Here.
Is that a nest for Dolly?
Yep.
Nice.
Isla, come here. Can I just use the baby for my needs now soon? Isla, come here.
I don't think so. I don't think that's how she works.
Isla, we have to get other stuff now, okay? Did you see that kick? Isla, come here. Did you see that kick?
Was it an awesome kick?
Okay. Now take a picture.
Oh, the kick.
Okay.
Alright.
Come on.
Okay.
Now we're going to put it here. Okay?
Whoa! Right. Oh.
Come on, let's go get some more.
Woo! I almost hit the baby.
Sorry. Well, I mean, it was falling. It wasn't going to, really hurt. It was just going to touch us. Well, it didn't.
What's the money? Okay. Here we go.
Oh, I messed up.
Oh, that's all right. I didn't get that one.
Down there. Okay. Now we need one more thing, okay? Come on.
Wait.
Now we're going to get stuff from here. Okay? See? See?
Nice.
Come on. Got it?
Okay, you should have taken a video.
Well, I did.
Now we'll put this here.
Oh, when I'm done recording it.
Put it here. Let's go get
I
some
hit
more.
my head.
Oh. That's a nice nest.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's gonna have flowers soon.
Oh.
Come on,
Fancy.
let's go get some more. We just need a little more, and then we gotta put the flowers on for decoration. Come on, Isla. Got it? Okay, come on, let's go. Okay, go. Got it? Look at that. Okay. Now one more thing. Flowers.
Okay, go get some flowers. There's a lot of,
Come on.
how about up there? There's flowers up there.
Oh yeah, little white ones, and then the big ones, and then I'll go get some little ones.
Okay.
Come up here,
she's all dirty.
That's all right. She cleans up.
Okay, so can I do the video now?
Okay, let's make the video now.
Wait, did you take the video?
Yeah, I've been making a video this whole time.
Okay, so okay.
Now guess
Can
what?
you rewind?
No, we're not done when they're done making the nest.
The nest. What about me?
Like that. Yeah, yellow ones. That's perfect. Come on.
Nice. Wow.
Come on. I love you, Wolf. Come
Aw.
on, Isla. We're going to put these around here, right here. Okay, can I see the flowers? Oh, it's so pretty. All right, let's get some more. Get some more, Isla.
Yeah, I think you need some more flowers, Isla.
Come on, Isla. Here, take this. Come on.
Yeah, just careful when she gets over here. I don't want her to fall off the edge there.
Come on, Isla. Got some more? Got it? Okay, come on. Come on.
Yeah, just careful. I don't want her falling over this edge right here.
Yeah. Come on, Isla. Put it right here. Right there. Yeah, that's perfect. What? Yeah.
Yeah,
What?
more.
Yeah, come on, Isla. Come on. Alright. This one's kind of tricky, okay? Come on. We're just gonna hit the pebbles. Alright?
How long is this video going to be?
I don't know, they're making a beautiful nest here.
Got it. Come on. Come on. Are you okay, Isla? Oh, got it. Come on. Come on.
So she likes making a nest.
I just keep trying to add different things.
Oh, very nice. Is Dolly going to go in it when you're all done?
Yeah.
I'm angry!
Why are you angry?
Because
'Cause why? I did take your video.
Okay.
Alright, let's put Dolly in it. Isla, go get Dolly. Isla, go get Dolly. Go get Dolly.
Why?
Where? She's over there. She's all the way over there. Go get her.
Hold on, Isla. Okay, come here, Isla.
I think she's having a hard time picking that flower.
Come on, Isla. Come on, put it right here. Put it right here.
Alright, go get Dolly.
Come on, let's go get Dolly.
Go get Dolly.
Come on, we're gonna bring her. Come on.
Come on, it's for Dolly.
And
Oh, a little nest for Dolly. Yay!
done.
Yay! You gonna clap? Yeah! Yeah! Yay! Best nest for a Dolly ever made.
yeah,